Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to lock apps, photo, videos, and document in Galaxy A15 5G. So for this guys, we have to install a third-party application as we don't have any default lock application in Galaxy A15 5G. So just go to Play Store here and then search for app lock. So basically this one is the application App Lock Pro. Install this application here. Okay, now after installing, just click to open. And you have to set up the password first. So I am setting up the password. Click create, verify the password again, click set. Okay, now firstly you have to allow the permission. Okay, so as you guys see, these are all the unlocked application and these are default lock application here. These are the application which will locked automatically. So the gallery is also locked. And if you're talking about apps, so if you want to lock these application, like I want to lock the camera app, so I lock it. I am locking the contacts and many other application if you want to lock from here, like TikTok. So these are the locked application. Now let's see. If you want to access in a gallery, just tap on the gallery. You have to enter the password first. So if you want to access the contact, so the contact is also locked. So that's how guys we can lock apps, photos, videos and documents in Galaxy A15 5G. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.